Okay, I'm going to come to the next part. Okay, I'm going to introduce the product rule. I know some of you have tutor, your tutor will say it's called the chain rule. It means the same thing. But why do we need to make use of the product rule? Okay, I'm going to tell you, it's very obvious. If this is the expression given to you, you need to differentiate y with respect to x. Tell me, if I need to use my previous known method, it means I have to expand all this, right? Do you think you want to expand? You'll be crazy. By expanding this power 6, how many terms are there? 7. By binomial expansion, there are 7 terms. Then what? 7 terms multiplied in term by term cannot be. So you must tell yourself, can you see this is one composite function? This is another composite function. So it means that whenever you have two composite functions multiplied together, you need to make use of the product rule. Okay, how do we make use of the product rule? There are only 2 steps. Step number 1, differentiate the first, keep second, plus differentiate the second, keep first. We just have to follow this step, and when you follow this step, all these things that you have learned previously, you must apply. Okay? All these things you have done previously, you must apply. So this is the real first technique you are looking at. Yes, are there any goals here, Andy? No goals, no? Your fingers, I want to let me now. Okay, don't copy first. Let's take a look at this question. What do you mean by differentiate the first, keep the second, plus differentiate second, keep the first? Okay, has this been defined? Yes, by y. So I want to do my differentiation. Can you tell me, Brandon, which one is my first term over here if you look here? Thank you. This will be my first composite function. That is what I meant. You differentiate the first one. Keep second one means you keep this one. Plus, you do it the other way around. Differentiate the second, keep the first. I'm going to do that first. Terry, are you looking? Are you sure? Can you turn? I don't think you can see me, you know. Yeah. Differentiate the first. Jason, can you tell me how to differentiate the first bracket? This is a power 1. So if it's a power 1, just do your normal differentiation inside the bracket. So what do you get when you differentiate the terms in the bracket? 4. All agree? This is a power 1 means don't bother. We just differentiate whatever is inside. So differentiate the first. Keep the second means I just copy whatever is in the second one. That is step number 1. Don't copy first, later. Plus, differentiate the second. Can we just differentiate like that? Cannot. Why? There is a power 6. So now, Izam, how to differentiate the second one? I know. That's what. Yes. 5. What do you do first step? Number 1. Power is 6. Bring down the power. Reduce the power by 1. After that, differentiate the terms inside. What do you get? 2. Are we done? Are we done? What must we do? Keep the first. This is the part a lot of students always forget. Okay, this whole thing is called the chain rule, but I summarize the chain rule for you all. Okay, you look at the textbook, what some of the tutors are doing very long, I don't want. Okay, you just remember these 2 steps. Okay? So I just show you step 1 and step 2. Of course, you cannot write this as the answer. Now comes the next thing. Look here. You have to look here. I don't think you can sit like that. Why don't you sit beside Jason, in between Jason and Hazel? Because I see your back, I don't know what you are looking at. Okay, so I need to see your eyes. Now, you must, after you do your first 2 steps, tell yourself don't go and expand. In fact, I know I told you this here the keyword is simplify. Before I simplify, what was the other word I tell you? factorize. Factorize any common term here. Do you see any common term? Between the first one plus the second one. What are the common terms? 4 is the common term. 4 is the common term. Oh, okay. 6 and 2 total is 12. So there is 12 here, there are 4 here, so 4 is the first common term. I agree. What else? 2x plus 7. Okay, this is the part I want to alert you. When you take out the common term, do you take out the one with the smaller power or bigger power? Smaller. Between power 6 and power 5, which one is smaller? Power 5. Any other more common terms? No more, right? Very good. Put a square bracket. Whatever terms you did not take out, you put it inside the square bracket. Do we still need to put the 4 inside? No. Do we still need to 2x plus 7? Yes, because you took out power 5. There is still one more. And I must tell you, I'll highlight it in red, it will always be a power 1. It will always be true. It will always be a power 1. Because the difference of these two powers is only by 1. Any more for the first term? No more. Plus. Any numbers left? Total was 12. You took out 4. 3. Do we need to continue writing this? Yes. Now, our job, simplify the square bracket. Think we are done? Why not? You can still factorize this answer by taking out a 2. And this will be your final answer. And this is the 3 marks question. 3 marks. Okay, then if you ask me, Mr. Liu, this one 3 marks, will it come out in a work problem? Usually in a work problem, we cannot give you such difficult one. It will be all the easiest one you all have done previously. Okay, if it's a question like this, it will be a question by itself, usually. Okay, can? Now I give you 2 minutes, please copy down the steps as well as the working, and we're going to do a more difficult one.